Towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change TikTok recommendation. So it means that if you watch the videos but you don't like the videos and they suggested you and they recommend you, so you can reset the feature, and after that TikTok understand your interest and they show video according to your interest. So first of all you need to open your app, then simply tap your profile, then tap here right top corner it's three line, and tap your settings and privacy, and scroll down you can see here content preference. Simply tap here and tap here refresh your for your feed. You can see refresh your feed will temporarily show you popular videos you may not normally see. Watch, like, comment and share videos so we can learn your preference. Once refreshed, your feed should feel more personalized. So simply tap here start, so it's progress. So once you watch the video you can see why you want to refresh. You can select anyone, and that's it. And you can see here it's refreshing in progress. So once you watch the video, and TikTok understand your interest and suggest you or recommend you the videos according to your interest.